I'm still into the game menu. I'm going to go into the statistics. Russian cheat pad. 144, 254. Just over an hour after the game. I can go into statistics. I can go into player stats. Now, once we're in player stats, let's go to kick return. Shit. One sec. I go into player stats. Kick return. For the Seahawks. You don't see Malcolm Smith, and obviously not because obviously he was the one who was kicking it off, but I mean, by no means necessary would that make sense. I mean, his player recovering the ball for 17 yards, it's not like I got the ball, it's not like I caught possession of the ball, ran up, and he caused a fumble. He just did a glitch kickoff to the point where, I mean, you can't even really interpret it, but as I said, in the second quarter here, when we were going neck and neck, you can see that there's a kickoff on the Seattle 35. Malcolm Smith returns kickoff for 17 yards. How does that make sense whatsoever? That doesn't make any sense. He did a fly ball kickoff with high winds. I didn't even really notice it until I figured it out later, but the game settings were on clear. They weren't on partly cloudy. They were on high winds, and he didn't even put it on all pro. I mean, I know this kid. He always puts it on all Madden. He didn't reply to any of my messages. I'm never playing him again, and this is blasphemy. I mean, this is $25 I put down. Are you kidding me? As you can see, I sent him all these messages, and no reply. Immediately, when did I send this? 2:05, called fair catch. It's bullshit, man. It's bullshit that you guys want to give him this win because, realistically, no, that makes zero sense. How is he going to return the ball for 17 yards? I mean, maybe if it was like a kickoff and I completely like whiffed on even trying to catch it, I would understand. But I literally called a fair catch and he ran into my player. And in particular, that's why he put high winds, because it fucks with the game enough that he can kick up a fly ball and actually initiate contact with one of my players, so it causes a fumble. And again, I try to look at a replay, and there's no available replay for this play. I mean, am I really going to get penalized because I don't have like a professional monitor system, surveillance on my PS3 screen? I mean, this is just bullshit. He didn't reply to any of the messages. Malcolm Smith returns kick for 17 yards. You can go on the roster page. You can go on the depth chart. Malcolm Smith is not a Packer. He's a Seattle Seahawk. So I'm hoping you guys, I mean, at least make this right. I'm not going through all this trouble just to, I mean, win $25. I want this justified. This is not right.